All right, now we're here. Hello. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have 10 batteries, which are 6 volts. So 6 times 10, that's 60 volts. Plus 24 is 12 and 12. 60 plus 24. I shouldn't be touching. So 16 plus 24 equals 84. So I have these alligator clips, and I forgot the thing. Found it. Alright, so this is the thing from the soldering iron. This is a tungsten, I think. This is a tungsten wire. Then I'm going to put it in the water. I'm going to put water in here. Put this in here. And it's going to like heat up and stuff like that. So yeah. Yeah, you remember what happened last time. Alright, let's wire it up. Alright, so there we go. Here's the last one. Let me just get this to the plus. Alright, there you go. So, it looks crazy, but it's pretty simple. So the minus goes into plus and it goes like that. And then it goes from here to here, so it goes like that, and like that. Then okay, back to the thing. So, it goes from here to here. So from here to here. So it goes minus to plus, and then minus to plus. So now I have 100, I have like 1,000 amps in here, so I'm not gonna bring these two anywhere close next to each other. Let me get something. Hold on. All right. Wait. Is it this? Yeah. Actually, by the way, you shouldn't be doing this. This is for chargers like that and that. But yeah. Let me just strip these wires and then connect them to there. Alright, so I stripped the wires to this. And let me just connect it up. There you go. No, just kidding. Alright, so I taped it up. I'm gonna tape it up. Alright, I taped it up. It doesn't even look suspicious. So, I'm gonna tape up. Okay, how can I? Got it. Alright, so I'm gonna tape it up to the side like that, add some water, and then add the batteries. I'll be back. Alright, so I'm adding a bit of water. Alright, that's good. Hold on. Let me fix this. Alright, 3, 2, 1. It's heating up. It's actually heating up. Look, guys. Look, you see those bubbles? All of these are going inside of here, which is really dangerous because it's like, I think about like 10,000 or 10 kilowatts, which can actually kill a person. And I'm like about, yes, look at those bubbles. It's creating so much heat. I wonder how much though. I need a temperature sensor, but I only have it in my room. Yeah, so maybe I can use this in my next video. Or next video I can plug this into there. Take that out first, but plug this into there. Yeah, so have a good day. Peace out.